Hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Nick. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Mechanic 2.0. Thank you for clicking on today's video. Today's Saturday, New Year's Eve. I want to wish everybody a happy and a healthy new year. Whatever you're doing tonight, make sure you do it responsibly and you're all safe and you have a wonderful time. Today we're in the home garage to do what I've been dying to do for a while now, is to repair driver's elbow on the driver front door, how it tears up and everything. And we're gonna do that with a brand new leather wrapped armrest from Honda. Yes, Honda does sell these. They sell these for EX and LX trim levels. EX for the leather. I have an EX with black leather. This is the black leather. It matches perfectly on all the other door panels. And they do sell this in, I think some are discontinued for some certain colors, but you'd have to call your dealer and give them your VIN number to find out. I could have went the route of taking the panels off or bringing the whole car to a upholstery shop, having them wrap this and reinstall it, but the stitching is never the same. The color is never the same. I've seen a lot. I've seen people do both sides because they just don't match. It bothered some people. I've seen people do one side. Don't understand that. Just doing one, it doesn't match the other side. That would drive me nuts. But I'm not doing that. I want to go OEM. I want it to look OEM. The passenger side is like mint condition. And they still make the passenger side. So if that ever tears, we're going to replace it. But the reason why I didn't get both, the other side is in mint condition, but this cost me a whopping $360. It's worth every penny in my opinion. And that's with my dealer 15% discount also. The non-leather ones, like the cloth ones, go for about 300 bucks. So 60 bucks more you're paying for the leather. I think it's kind of expensive, but you know, I think it's gonna look great when it's done. Let me show you the damage we got going on here. Almost forgot to show you the part number for this piece. This part number is only for the black leather interior. They have other part numbers. They have for the cloth and they have for the, I think it's ivory you can get or tan or something like that. But if you have if you have an EX model with a black leather interior, that's the part number you need for the driver's front door. I almost forgot. Please subscribe to my channel. Please consider doing so if you haven't already. And please click on the notification bell so you know when I go live on a video. 90% of you that watch my videos are not subscribed. I'm trying to start the new year off with a bang, just like many of you. So please consider subscribing to my channel. And with that, let's get back to the video. Here's the damage. I got one hand on the high power light, one hand on the camera. So you can clearly see when I got this is here's the whole thing. Let me just show you right there. Okay. When I got the car, this is what we had. It looked like that over here. And then from driving, you could see the impression of the elbow, right? And from driving a little bit, it tore up completely. And the leather is just losing its, it's just losing its structure from all the years of abuse. And we're gonna make it look brand new. The other side is in great shape. The car does need a serious cleaning, but all in due time. So let's get set up and let's get this door panel off and see what's on the other side of that, because I'll show you here. I don't want to wash it out too much with some, let me move the light there. And you got some, where are we? You got, looks like screw holes right there. Okay. And looks like some clips snap in. I'm not sure. I've never done this before. Let's pull that panel off. But going to get ready to pull the door panel off here to get started. I'm not going to do a comprehensive showing of how to pull this panel off. I did one in the Honda CRV door lock actuator replacement video I did for this door. I'll leave a link down below if you want to know exactly where everything is and where all the screws are to get the panel off. Click that link down below and let's get this panel off. On the bench. Here's the rear of the door panel. here is the area we have to work on. So it looks like we have to remove every screw we see. This bracket, the support brace has to come off. And here is so we have some hold downs, which these are clipped on. These are clipped on, and this is a hold down. Here is what I showed you earlier, the screw holes. So we have to remove all the screws. That's what we'll do first. We'll just remove all the screws. Can I leave the power window switch in there? Do I have to take it out? No. I'm gonna leave it in there. I'm gonna leave that in there. Maybe I've never changed the power window switch on one of these cars. Maybe that's how maybe you have to disassemble the whole thing, and well, we'll see. I'm gonna take all the screws off, and we'll play it by ear. Let's start pulling these off. There are two more right in there. You see that? There you go. Right there and there. Let's pull these little guys off. See what happens. The top of the pull handle is here. Okay. I'm gonna tear down the whole thing. The underside of the pull, the top of the door pull. I think all of that has to come off. Everything has to come off to get this piece out. Bunch of little push tabs for the round part of the door pull. Can I get some good light here? Get more washed out. Push them in and push them in and push them down. Let's see. All new to me. Door pull is out. Yeah, because it goes over. Everything's got to come out. Let's see what it looks like now. Door pull came out successful without breaking any clips. Here's the squeeze piece I was telling you about on the other side. Squeeze and pull it out. Well, this side rather. Okay, so we got this window switch in the way. Okay. The back side of the pull. There's the other one you can get to now. Window switch. Phillips head right there. So, problem being at home is I don't have the right tool to get into that. Man, I don't know what kind of video this is going to be. The ball's going to drop and I'll still be out here doing this. Got a little eyeglass screwdriver for the window switch for this corner. The other corner you got to go through the back, and you need even a shorter screwdriver than this one. I don't know how I'm going to get that one off. See if that works. That fits inside. All right, it does work. Wow, look what you have to do just to remove the window switch. That is just incredible. Nice job, Honda. Man, I should have probably bought a new window switch for all this work. You guys still with me? Okay, we have to transfer this piece over, the window switch holder onto the new piece. Wow. There it is. Not too bad, right? Not too bad, especially if you have the right tools, which I didn't, but we make do. Here they go side by side. Here we are. Looks like it's held in, the window switch bracket's held in by one Phillips head screw, and it slides over the tab here. And that's all there is. Let's see if that's the case. I don't see anything else on the new one. There it is. So it really is that simple. Let's clean this up and put on the new one. We'll hang this one on the wall. Hello, it's bourbon time. Just came back from the sink and washed the bracket. Today, Brothers Bond. I'd highly recommend it. Cheers, everyone. Happy New Year. No, we're not close to the ball dropping yet, but it is dark outside, so we've been at this for a little bit. All right, let's get back to it. Let's throw this thing on. In there. And then in there. Oh, you can feel the resistance. How's that look? Looking good. Push down around. Push down. Let's give our screw. Screwdriver. You're cutting new threads as you turn this. There are no threads in the plastic. There you go. Beautiful. Isn't that nice? Okay, get ready for reassembly. It is a balmy New Year's Eve here in New York. It is a warm 50 degrees, which is really nice. Got a little housekeeping to do on this door panel here. Got to clean up this nastiness and then throw it all together. Let's do that. that look? That looks sexy as F, right? That came out beautifully. You all can do this at home. You have one of these CRVs, you can do this. You can spruce up the interior. All I gotta do now is do a little dressing, but I'm not gonna, I gotta clean the entire car. And I gotta take care of that. But the hard part is over. This looks fantastic. I am so happy. It just came out beautiful. Look at that. Now I get to, if I have it for 10 years of digging my elbow in there. Wow, it is just gorgeous. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. It's been something, huh? Just want to wish everybody a happy new year. It's not late. It's not late. We've got plenty of time. The wife and I, we're going to go out to dinner. We're going to celebrate. I just want to wish everybody happy new year. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, just like I mentioned earlier. And put some comments down below. Tell me what you think. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Happy New Year.